Good morning, students. I'm here with lecture number 2. In the first lecture, you are clear about the concept of ratio and the equivalent ratios. I hope you practice at your home the questions I assign you, and it is clear to know how to simplify the different ratio questions and the equivalent ratio questions. So today we will start our exercise, that is 7.1. The first question is that simplify each of the following ratios. So what are these ratios? As we did in the yesterday previous lecture, that if there are units are different, we have to make the first units are same. So we convert the kg into grams. How we will convert the kg into grams? We will multiply with 1000, 1.5 multiply by 1000. Why we will multiply with 1000? Because there are 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg, right? So it will come when you will multiply with the thousands and hundreds, multiple of tens, you will just change the place of decimals. This decimal move rightwards 2 digits. So it will come 1500 ratio 350. So you can simplify. First you can divide by the 10 on the both sides. This 0 with cancel and your answer is 150 over ratio 35. So you can simplify further with the table of 5. At the table of 5, when we divide it, the table of 5, it will get 30 and 7 5s are 35. So your answer is 30 ratio 7. Clear? So come to the next question, that is in fraction form. So what we have to do now? First we have to find the LCM of 24 and 7. So what will be the LCM of 24? We will multiply 24 by 7. 7 fours are 28 and 168 is your answer. Means we have to multiply the 168 on the both sides of the ratio. So 168 multiplied by 15 over 24 ratio 9 over 7 multiplied by 168. So we have the multiples of 24 into 7, means these are the factors of 168. When we cut the 24, the 7 will be the answer. Then 7 fours are 168. The working is in front of you, so it's quite easy now for you. 7 ones are 7 and 7 24s out. Now you have to just simply multiply here. 15 sevens are 105 and 19 9 24s are 9 fours are 36 and 9 twos are 18 and 3 carry, we will get to 16. I hope you are also good in mental maths. So tables are very important, so always do practice of tables at home. If you are good in tables, you are inshallah you will be good in maths also. So and always try to enjoy the calculations in maths, because it's a subject of calculations. So now it can be simplified on the same table. Yes, it comes on the table of 3. Okay, we will divide 105 on the table of 3. We will get 35 and here we get 72. So this is the now simplest form of the this question, and that your answer is 35 ratio 72. Okay, come to the next question, that is part C. Again we have now decimal form, and yesterday we did the question with the same form. Simply we have to multiply 100 on the both sides, and when we are going to multiply with the hundreds, we will get remove the decimal and question come easier, that is 45 ratio 85, because there are 2 digits in the 100, and when we multiply, this decimal will come here, and at the end we will not place the decimal. Simply we will write 45 ratio 85. So I think you know now that both values are divided by the table of 9, so, table of 5, sorry. 9 5s are 45, so 9 ratio 17 5s are 25. That is your answer. So quite easy question. So here a new term, that is milliliters, and it's not the milliliter, it's the liter. I write it wrong. So that is also milliliter. So first we have to convert this into milliliters, then we have all the three units same. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Means we have to multiply with this in 1000, and when you multiply this with 1000, this decimal we move three digits on the right side. So we will get 580 ratio 1120 ratio 104. Clear? So now you can simplify because all three units are in milliliters now, and when we divide it by a table of 2, you will get 290. Here again you divide with the table of 2, 5 2s are 10, 1 carries, 6 2s are 12 and 0, 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. Again it is divisible by 2, so we will get 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 5 2s are 10, 145, 280 and 26. So I think we can't further divide it. So this is your simplest form and this is your the answer of this question. Clear? You can divide it on the separate on the rough sheet as well. So now come to the next part of this question, that is now this is in the fraction form. So what we get now, what we have to do now, so simply we have first we have to find the LCM of 2, 3 and 8. And do you know how you get the LCM? In the junior classes you do the LCM in this way. There are three methods to find the LCM, but I always used to prefer this method. 3 is not divisible, 2 1s are 2 and 4 2s are 8. Again we divide by 2, 3 and 1 and 2. Now they are not further divisible, so you can multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 2s are 24. So your LCM is 24. So now it means we have to multiply all these three values with the 24 like this. 24 multiplied by 2 over 3 ratio, 24 multiplied by 3 over 2 ratio, 24 multiplied by 5 over 8. Why we multiply with 24 with the LCM? Because LCM is the divisible by all these denominators. So our question will be without fraction form, in simplest form. 3 8s are 24, 2 12s are 24 and 8 3s are 24. So now you can write 8 2s are 16 ratio, 12 to 3s are 36 and 5 3s are 15. So it is divisible further. I don't think so that it is further simplify. So the answer is similarly, that is 16, 36 and 15. That is your required answer. So come to the next question now. So here students, we have the decimals, right? So there are two digits after the decimals, there are two digits after the decimals, but here we have one digit. So what we do, we will multiply with both values with the 100, then we will come the values make the same. Okay, as you know, when we are going to multiply with the 100, we will move this decimal towards two digits towards right side. So it will come 30 and it will come 36, and here we have one digit, so we will place 10 and decimal will move here, so it will come 180. So what are the factors? HCF of 33, 63 and 180, that is 3. It is divisible by 3, quite easy. 11 3s are and 21 3s are and 6 3s are 18 and 60. And it is not further divisible, so the answer is 11 ratio 21 ratio 60. Clear? So now come to the next part of question, but going to further questions, first we will do the worked example 3. So that is given that 4x ratio 9 is equal to 7 ratio 3 and calculate the value of x. We have to find the value of x. So it's not a so difficult question, it's an easy question. First we will write in the fraction form. As you know, we can write the ratio form in the fraction form. 4x over 9 is equal to 7 over 3. So now here what we do, Here 2 or 3 methods we can use. You can cross multiply to simplify it. You can take the LCM of 9 and 3 and multiply with on both sides with the 9. In both ways you will get the same answer. Keep one thing in your mind, whatever the method you use in any question of mathematics, the answer is only once. Then every question has only one answers. Either you can use any method to solve that. So we can multiply with 9 on both sides, right? Because 9 is the LCM of 3 and 9. So it will cut, 9 cuts with the 9 and 3, 3s are 9. So what we get? We get 4x is equal to 7 3s are 21. So now what we get? We will do divided by 4 on both sides. So x is equal to 21 over 4. This is your answer. And you can further simplify it. There is improper fractions. So you change this improper fraction into mixed numbers, because we always try to give the answer in simplest form. So this method, you know how to change the improper fraction into mixed numbers. Yes, quite easy. You already did in previous class, class 4, 5, 6. So it is done now. So next come to the what is practice now here. So it is also the similar question as we did in the worked example. What we do now? First we will write in the fraction form. Write 3a over 7 is equal to 8 over 5. So what are the LCM? So I can do this question with the other method. So we will use cross multiplication method. We will multiply 5 with this and 7 with this one. So what we get? 5 3s are 15a and 8 7s are 56. Now divide by 15 on both sides. We will get a is equal to 56 over 15. So again we have to change this into mixed numbers. 56 divided by 15, 15 3s are 45, your remainder is 11, so your answer is 3 11 over 15. Clear? Quite easy. Enjoying? Always try to leave the question in the simplest form, right? So now come to the exercise again, and question number 1 we did at the start of this lecture. Now question number 2. So again the same question as we did in the work example and as in the practice now. So what we have to do? First we have to write in the fraction form a over 400 is equal to 6 over 25. So what we will do? We will take the LCM, or we can do the cross multiplication. Either method you can use. I think you enjoy the cross multiplication method. That is quite easy. Means you have to multiply 25 with the a and 400 with the 6. But keep in one factor in your mind. In the cross multiplication method, you can use only when there are 2 values. If there are 3 values, then you can use the LCM method only. So 25 multiplied by a, we will get 25a, and 6 multiplied by 400. What we get? We will get 2400. Am I right? Okay, now we will divide with the 25 with on the both sides. So a is equal to 2400 divided by 25. Is it completely divisible? So let's see. We will make a division here. 25 8s are 25 9s are, that is 225. So we will get 5 here, and then 1, and then here we get 0. 25 6 are 150. So what we get? We get 96 is the answer. The value of a is 96. Clear, students? So now come to the second part of this question. The question is that again it is a similar question as we are doing today. What we write? We will do in the fraction form. 5b over 8 is equal to 2 over 5. Again we will do it by the cross multiply. but I am doing this question with the LCM method. So what is your LCM? LCM of 8 and 5, that are 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 40. So we will multiply 40 on the both sides, 40, and on the same side we have to multiply with the 40. The 5 8s are 40 and 8 5s are 40. What we get? 5 5s are 25, b, and 8 2s are 16, and we will divide 25 on the both sides. Then we will get b is equal to 16 over 25. So that is your answer. Now next question, it's a little bit a tricky question. So we have the find the ratio x ratio y. So what we have to do now? We did not find the value of any variable x or y. In the previous question we have to find the value of variables. Now we have to find the ratio x ratio y. X ratio y. If we write this in fraction form, what we get? X over y. Means we have to change these values in such a case that x or y on the same side, right? So 2x over 5 is equal to 3y over 8. So what method we use? You can use the LCM method on the both case. What are the LCM? 8 5s are 40, so we will multiply 40 on the both sides, right? So 8 5s are 40 and 5 8s are 40. 8 2s are 16x is equal to 5 3s are 15y. Now we have to change this question in this form so that we get x ratio y. Means y will come the divisible form on this way and 16 will come. When it means first we divide with the 16 on the both sides, then 16 will cut here. We will get x is equal to 15 over 16 y. Now we will divide with the y on the both sides, so we will get x over y is equal to 15 over 16. So this is your fraction form. So now you can write this fraction form in ratio form, that is x ratio y is equal to 15 ratio 16. So this is your required answer. Clear, students? So I hope you enjoy this lecture. So do all these sums on your classwork copies to complete your notes. That will help you in the preparation of the upcoming midterm exams. So today's homework, I will assign some questions from your workbook. So just wait. So I got the workbook. So at page number, this is the page number of your workbook, page number 37. You have to do question number 1, part A, B and C, and similarly you have question number 2 and you have to do part C, D, right? And question number 3 you have to do part E and F. So this is your homework. These are the practice questions. We did the similar questions in today's lecture, so you can do it very easily. So take care of yourself, enjoy your holidays and stay safe, stay inside the house, take care of yourself and your family. See you till next lecture. Assalamu alaikum.